Friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about a quadruple stack, and if you've been a follower of my page, you know that this is a very rare occurrence where 4 boosters are actually stacking. So this is something else. So if you still might have some of these boosters, we're going to go through them one by one, and I'm going to show you what I did. So it is a paper booster and 3 digitals, and I did this deal where I got a $50 basket today, and all of them stacked. So we're just going to unpack this bite by bite. All digital boosters are of a one-time use, as is that paper one. So if you still have it in your account but you used it last week, the answer is already there. You can't use it twice. So just to get back to my deal, I got the cashier to scan this 9 back when you spend 40. Plus, this one showed up last Friday, which is 10 back when you spend 50, and I had that loaded on my store card as well. Last 2 digital boosters that I have back is $7 back when you spend 25, which showed up last week, and it's only valid till the 1st of February. So that one I couldn't use on this card because I had already used something similar last week, and it just wasn't a good deal for me, but I could use it this week. And then 7 back when you spend 25 in beauty care. So this is a lot of moving pieces to this. So if you're not really good with paying attention, this isn't a deal for you, but if you can line this up, it's going to be a huge money maker. So I need to get a $50 basket with at least $25 in beauty care. So that's what I did here. I got the all packs for $3.99, the Tide for $12.99, 3 Olays for $21, and then 2 soft soaps for $9.98, and then 1 Febreze product for $3.29. All of the body wash is more than $25, so that's what I did there to get to that, spend 25, get 7 on beauty care. I'm just going to jog through and show you like everything in the store, how I did it. So I grabbed 3 Olay body washes for $7 a pop. This week we have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and it's also on a promotion of buy 3, get back a $5 store register reward, and there's also a P&G coupon also printing out $5 off. I also grabbed 2 of these soft soap body washes for $4.99, $5 reward when you buy 2. My register reward did not print, so I would grab 2 similar. I grabbed 2 different flavors, maybe that's why, but here it is, $5 reward when you buy 2 soft soap Irish Spring. I always get the men's stuff, and I went with the women's today, and it bit me. And we have this dollar digital coupon, so please make sure that you have it loaded. Okay, so I still need to get my basket to $50. So I also grabbed one of these Febreze lights, and they're $3.29. And we got a really unique coupon this morning that showed up, which is $2.30 off of one of these air care products. So I definitely had that loaded. I also grabbed one of these all packs for $3.99. And we have a dollar digital coupon. I thought it would be $1.50, but it was $1. So product that's upwards of $7.49 for $2.99 I don't think is the worst deal. To get that basket even more, I also grabbed one of these Tides for $12.99. And then this morning we also got a $3 digital off of this product, so I am not complaining about that. And I had a little bit of room in this basket to use a couple register rewards, so I used these from last week, and they are manufacturer if you look at the top, so thus I can use them in a booster deal. So a $4 off and a $6 off. It said store, I couldn't use it because it says manufacturer, I can. So this is what I have, guys. 3 of the Olays for $21, 1 Febreze spray for $3.29, 2 soft soaps for $9.98, 1 all for $3.99, and 1 Tide for $12.99, for a grand total of $51.25. I got the cashier to scan the 9 back when you spend 40, and then I had all of those 3 boosters loaded that I showed you at the beginning of the video. I also had $10 in manufacturer register rewards that the cashier scanned for me, and I had $12.30 in digital coupons that I showed you in the slides previous that also melted off. So $28.95 I paid with my debit card. As this is a spend booster, 4 different ways, I had to use my debit card. I also got back $33 in Walgreens cash. If you take all those boosters and add it up, it's $33 plus $15 in register rewards. So it made it free plus a $9 moneymaker. So if you don't want to consider the 2 register rewards that I utilized for this deal, it's still a moneymaker. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up, as this is a spend offer. and it was just really fantastic. Like, I haven't seen a quad stack in years. And just to show you, this is for the Olay $5 store coupon, and then $5, I believe, when I buy more P&G products at Walgreens. Now, my $5 register reward for the soft soap did not print. I don't know what was up with that, but the manager just added $5 of Walgreens cash to my store card. Now, the next couple deals that we're going to look at, if you wish to just use Walgreens cash, you don't want to have a huge out of pocket, we're going to look at those, including the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo. So you're going to have to track down 3 of them. That might be a tall order at most of these stores. They are $7 a pop, and you're going to get back a $5 reward when you buy $5 register reward when you buy 3 of them. As you can see in that deck, there's a whole list of products that are associated, Olay included. That's why I couldn't buy this as well, because it wouldn't print for me. We got a 7 off 2 digital coupon this morning, so load this one. There's also a 3 off a 2, so if you loaded both, obviously take off that 3 off a 2 and just have this one loaded. The smaller one will come off first. On the Fetch Rewards app, 2,750 points back when you buy Love Beauty Planet, so that's like $2.75. Okay, so looking at the math for this, 3 of the Love Beauty and Planet is 21. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay 14. Get back a $5 register reward. Take a photo to the Fetch Rewards app for 2,750 points back. So it makes it $6.25 for the 3, or $2.08 per shampoo. Again, you're doing this without a booster. Yes, you can use some Walgreens cash to pay down that balance, but a dealio for some cheaper shampoo. The next deal that we're going to look at is with the Colgate, and this is a total freebie. These guys are $3.99 this week. I'm going to show you the digital coupon in a second. And here's the tag, $3.99, $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. That's a Walgreens cash deal. And we have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon that showed up this morning, so make sure that you have that one loaded, and it's for this week only. So looking at this, guys, 2 of the Colgates for $7.98, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $3.98, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making this free. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you absolutely can use Walgreens cash. You can, roll it, spend it to earn it. That should work perfectly pour vous. So the Kleenex, Viva, and Cottonelle is $4.99 this week. Unfortunately, my store was out of the other 2, but we always need Kleenex in the household. So if you might have this, definitely grab one of these boxes for $4.99. At the register, grab something really cheap, a 33-cent candy, because I'm going to show you something here in a second. I would like to use this $5 store coupon because they're almost impossible to use, but using it on Kleenex I think is a super smart deal. But it's got to be a product 501 or more to use this stupid coupon. $4.99 for our Kleenex, a 33-cent candy for $5.32. Scan that $5 store coupon and pay 32 cents. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not using a booster in this deal, but an opportunity to get some very cheap paper products. Kind of sad I couldn't find any Cottonelle because I really wanted to get a lot of Cottonelle today. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Good luck with that quad stack. It is exciting. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.